Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Champ Gamer underscore 19. So today I will show you how to rob jewelry store without JP. Yeah, that means jetpack and with the jetpack. So today I will show you that. Okay guys. So as you can see, I'm going towards the I'm going towards the what do you say? I'm inside the sewer, and now I am going towards the like the Camaro. Guys, actually it won't be possible, I think so, because there are like cops in this server. So I'll full try to not get caught. But if I get caught, so I will upload one other video at 8 o'clock, I think so. So guys, I need to go to first the the shooting range. Okay. See guys, I'm in the shooting range. So guys, now I'm going to the donut shop. Okay guys, the donut shop. I took one. So guys, I'll tell you a thing that actually there is two surprise for you. I'll tell you in the breaks. Whenever the break will come, I'll tell when the break will come. Like if the thing is not open, then I can tell you the secret. Okay guys, so I'm again here. So I'm going towards the jewelry store first. First the jetpack, and then I'm not going to the jetpack first. Without the jetpack I'll rob the jewelry store. Then with the jetpack I'll rob the jewelry store, and then without the jetpack I'll rob the power plant. So guys, as you can see, he's one guy in Volt bike. I don't know who is he. But now guys, as you can see, the jewelry store is open. Oh, he started punching, but it's okay, we'll go from here. Okay, so guys, I think so this video will be a bit longer because I have to show you many things. So guys, I am inside the jewelry store. So guys, there are many obbies. So the first obby would be like, see, the lasers are moving and like this, so you have to jump when it comes. Okay, now I am here. Now see, here, jump over. These are lasers that are going here. Don't step on these as I stepped, but it's okay. So if you don't know the use of donut, I'll tell you, it helps to heal the what do you say, damage. So guys, as you can see, this was very easy. So now even you have to start punching. Okay, as you can see, I have started punching. Okay guys, so see, I've done 1000, then 1500, and now see guys, it's 2000. Now guys, as you can see, I'm going back. So guys, he has JP, so he can do it really fast. See, you have to wait to go and then go back. Okay, so guys, the second floor was damn easy. Third floor, oh guys, my health is damn low, so I think so I should eat a donut. So as you can see, it's now yellow from red. So as of now, I am here. As you know, this is damn easy. Okay, as I'm done with the obby, now I came out of, but it's okay. Actually, we have done the whole thing. So now we'll just go towards the criminal base. That means crim base. You guys, we are back here, and now we'll just go back. Okay, now we are going towards the power plant. without jetpack. Yesterday I showed you how to draw power plant with the jetpack. I'll show you today how to draw power plant without the jetpack. If the power plant is open, then 1 second now. So guys, as you can see, the power plant has not been open. You will get to know how the power plant was open. You can see these, the chimney type. So when you see the air coming out of there, that means the jewelry store is open. This power plant is open. So first I will tell you a secret. That one secret is, okay, I'll not tell you now. I'll tell you another secret if the power plant is not open. Oh guys, if the power plant is open, so I think so today I'll not show you. Okay, now I'll show you how to draw the power plant. Guys, in tomorrow's video I'll tell you the secret, what the secret is. Okay, so park your Lambo here or whatever you have. So go over here, come here. Okay guys, now come here, solve the pattern. Okay, as you can see, I'm solving the pattern, and now the pattern has been solved. Now come here, jump over these lasers, because if you touch, it will damage you. Check first, is your health full? My health is full. So now this is a bit hard for some people, as I have a habit of doing it, so it's not damn hard for me. I'm here, start jumping, jump, 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 jump. Okay, and then just go over here. You are almost done. So come here, come here. Now start solving this pattern also. This will give you uranium. Okay, so solve this. Okay, as you can see, I'm solving it. 2 6 2 6 6. This is 1 second now. 4 2 4. Okay guys, whenever last is left, come down and then just come solve here. Solve. Okay, as you can see, I'm done solving. So guys, I'm going towards the power, like the volcano base. So guys, please subscribe my channel. Whenever you subscribe, like whenever I get 10k subscribers, I will upload, I will show my face, reveal my face. Okay, so as you can see, my car has just flipped. So guys, as you can see, the first criminal, Jaden Decres, he is my friend. Actually his name is Jaden, his name is Kushagra. So please subscribe to his channel also, K Plays. I don't, there are many K Plays, but when you go towards the my subscribe, if you have subscribed me, then you can see my subscriptions channels, and then go there and then see K Plays. Okay, subscribe to his channel also. He also shows how to rob things. Okay, now guys, I am going towards the jetpack. Okay, so guys, I am going towards the jetpack. The Lamborghini is flipping too much. Okay guys, I think so the jewelry store would be almost open. Guys, the Lamborghini is flipping too much, so I think so I should go first to the jetpack, then. So guys, as you know, the chats, everyone are writing the chats, so I'll just reveal the secret. The first secret is the cargo boat robbery. Okay, so the cargo boat robbery will be coming in this Saturday. Okay guys, and one more surprise is that I will tell you tomorrow in my next video. Okay guys, as you can see, it just flipped over, but I have rocket fuel, so I can just take it over. So guys, as you can see, I'm using my rocket fuel too much. As you can see guys, almost I'm there. Yes guys, I'm there. Guys, as you can see, I'm done with my rocket fuel. Guys, actually it's a laggy server a bit. So guys, as you can see, I think so the jelly store would be open, but it's okay guys, it's fine, it's totally fine. I don't know why my Lamborghini is flipping too much. It's flipping today too much because I think so it's a bit laggy. Okay guys, so guys, if you want to know some glitches, then I will tell you. Okay, comment down which glitch do you want to know. The volt bike glitch. Oh, guys, I think so I should just go out. Oh guys. Okay guys, as you can see, I just almost died. So guys, I think so I'll upload the jewelry store robbery with jetpack next day, tomorrow. So that's all for today guys. Bye guys.